Hayaska, my baby. Hayaska, my baby. Hi. Hi, pumpkins. Hi, pumpkins. Oh, you say you had some. Tell me. Tell grandmas. What? And then what happened? And then what? What was next? Oh my goodness, that's a big story for a little man. That's a big story for a little man. And? Are you leaving anything out? Think hard. Think hard. Anything you're forgetting? Whoa! I heard a thunder down under. Who did that? Who did that? Oh, yeah, I think we both know who that was. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. Huh? Tinky boy. Tinky boy.